What up, guys? Tony here, aka Ghost from Retro Ghost, back once again with a quick little video. So today I just wanted to showcase a recent purchase I just picked up and speak on how you can go about finding good deals and how to, kind of snipe and hawk those really nice finds for a really cheap price. So yeah, this one I am really excited about. So just to preface a little bit, I saw a listing on OfferUp for 4 games from the same person. These games were listed at $5 each, and I was like, absolutely jumped on it. So I made an offer. They were individually listed, Pokemon Sun, Pokemon Y, and Pokemon Alpha Sapphire, along with Super Smash Bros. 3DS. The 3DS didn't come with a case. Apparently it came with their new 3DS that they purchased. So I reached out to the seller. She said, congratulations, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and sell them to you. I was like, awesome, super happy to get all 4 of these games because I did not have any of them prior except for Super Smash Bros. So this is gonna be kind of like my second copy of that game. But upon reaching out to her, she had mentioned to me, hey, I have a new 3DS that I'm going to be listing pretty soon if you'd like that as well. And I said, yeah, I mean, why not? I don't have a new 3DS yet. In fact, the only DS that I currently own is this guy here, the original 3DS XL. So I bought this one back when they first came out. And as you can see, it's still pretty much brand new in the box. I kept it, fairly nice. It might be a little dirty and dusty now because I did play this every so often, but not that much actually. I bought it just for the new Pokemon game that had released and kind of didn't even really finish the game. Kept it inside of this little protective sleeve here and inside the box pretty much its whole life. So I said, yeah, absolutely. I'll take a look at your 3DS, and we'll go from there. Because honestly, I'd rather keep this one as fresh and brand new as possible. But yeah, so she pulls this out after I get to her house, and I was like, holy, yeah, you get it. But as you guys know by now, probably I'm a huge Pokemon fan, so this case definitely caught my eye. I was like, yeah, I'll definitely take this. So she ended up throwing this into the deal. All of this stuff, guys, I got for $30. $30 for a new 3DS and 4 3DS games. So obviously I was a little ecstatic about that. These things, I mean, you can find them anywhere upwards to like 50 to 100 bucks on any of the selling apps or eBay or whatnot. And yeah, so just kind of wanted to go over the system with you. It all looks to be in fantastic condition. I've already tested it out. All of the buttons work. There's no issues whatsoever with the console. It seems to be very well taken care of. And yeah, today I'm probably going to go ahead and peel this vinyl kind of I don't even know what you would call these things. They're just vinyl stickers. Like, they're pretty cool, but I don't really necessarily know what this is here. I think it's definitely an anime. I think it's called Ghoul or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this case really quick. See if we can, well, let's power this down. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the Pokemon case here. Let's see if we can't get these vinyl stickers off. The vinyl, I mean, it looks cool. I like the artwork, and it definitely looks really cool behind this this kind of translucent Pikachu protective case. So I'm gonna set that off to the side. I just don't know what this is, so I'm not really a huge fan. Plus, as you can see, maybe it's kind of peeling off a little bit, and I don't really like that. I just want it to be clean and kind of check the condition underneath here, see if there's any scratches or anything like that. So yeah, I've never done this before, so we're just gonna we're just going to go ahead and see if we can't just have at it and see what happens. Yeah, I am really happy with that. Magnificent. So there you go. A virtually brand new 3DS for $30, essentially. $30 with 4 amazing games, in my opinion. But yeah, guys, I mean, really, you can find deals like this every day, and I'm just going to touch on how to go about doing that a little bit. So first thing you want to do is download every single purchasing app that you can possibly think of. So currently what I use to buy stuff, game gear, is OfferUp, Let's Go. I also check Facebook Marketplace very often. And what else? Oh, eBay. Yeah, eBay's a good one too. So what you want to do basically is you got to check them every single day. I check OfferUp, Let's Go, basically all 4 of those platforms. I check virtually like every hour or so. Just to see what's popping up. And what you want to do is you want to filter all of your search results by newest. So you want to be seeing the newest listing first, so you can catch those really good deals before somebody else does, because I can guarantee you there are people out there just like you who are looking for good deals, and they will snatch anything that they know anything about. So if I hadn't seen these games pop up for $5 each, then somebody else would have absolutely snagged them just like that. And I wouldn't have ended up with this brand new 3DS at such a fantastic price. And another thing that you can do in most of those apps is you can actually set notifications for specific search titles or specific search keywords, such as Nintendo, Nintendo Switch, Nintendo Game Boy Advance, Game Boy, what have you. You can set notifications, so anytime a new posting is listed with any of those keywords, you'll automatically get a notification. So that's something that you definitely want to do. One platform I don't use as often as, let's say, OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace is eBay. One, I don't really necessarily like the waiting game with eBay. I don't like bid wars. I want to get the deal on the product right then and there. And you got to understand, eBay is one of the largest selling platforms in the world right now. So there are literally millions of people searching for items on eBay, and you're going to have a lot tougher of a time snagging those good deals when they do pop up. So OfferUp in your local search area is best to go. I've found some really good deals on Let's Go. And then also the Facebook Marketplace. It's all localized in a regional kind of area. So you're getting local deals, and most of the time that's where people are posting, who go in their attic, they find their kid's old Game Boy, and they throw it onto whatever app that came up in Google first, or Apple, the App Store, or whatever. Either that or Facebook. Facebook is like one of the top kind of like selling platforms, because everybody has Facebook. So if somebody finds something they want to sell, or they need some money really quick, they'll just throw it up on Facebook. And luckily Facebook has created the marketplace, so you can kind of narrow down your search area, what's going to be posting around you, so that way when you see a good deal, you hit the dude up, you make a deal, and then you can go pick it up right then and there. You don't have to worry about waiting for shipping. You don't have to pay for shipping. You don't have to bid against millions of other people for the item. So that's why I use the localized kind of selling platform apps more so than eBay. But you can find some good stuff on eBay. Primarily from Japan, especially if you're into this kind of thing and you're looking to get into repairing and refurbishing Game Boys and old retro stuff. eBay is a great way to go about finding those items to do so, because a lot of stuff is in Japan right now, and yeah, you do have to wait a long time for shipping, and yeah, you do have to pay a lot for shipping, but they're selling broken Game Boys and broken systems for dirt cheap. So yeah, eBay has its perks, but I'd rather find good deals like this every so often. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up there. I've talked on long enough about it. Hopefully this kind of helped you out if you're getting into trying to start buying and collecting this kind of stuff. I mean, I just started collecting again, and I'm still fairly new to it, but this is just the method that I've had the most success with. So with that being said, this is Tony, aka Ghost from Retro Ghost, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.